The Rollator Walker R-1000 is designed to provide maximum comfort and support with its adjustable ergonomic handles and padded armrests, which help to maintain proper posture and relieve shoulder and back pressure. This lightweight walker, weighing just over 23 pounds, can support up to 300 pounds, making it a versatile mobility aid for a wide range of users. Equipped with a reliable braking system and reflective strips, the walker ensures safety during both day and night outings, while its breathable backrest offers a comfortable resting option. Its foldable design allows for easy storage and transport, making it ideal for users who lead active lifestyles and need a walker that can keep up with their pace. The all-terrain airless tires, with 10-inch front and 8-inch rear wheels, provide excellent shock absorption and maneuverability across various surfaces, from hardwood floors to gravel paths. With additional features like a cup holder and cane holder, this walker enhances daily convenience, ensuring that users have everything they need within easy reach.